Welcome back to the random channel. Here I am going to unbox I'm not sure whether it's March or April DokiDoki Crate. It just came in, so I'm gonna open it. It comes with clear tape this time. Last time, I didn't realize that the Doki Dokis were themed, and it was the bento theme last time, so obviously all the bento stuff. I only bought it because there was a coupon. I did like the bento box. The only thing was if the squishies were in better condition, I probably would have liked it more. But they said there is a $15 or so plushie inside. Plus, I love mystery boxes, and they had little blind boxes and gachamon and I don't know. I just had to get it. All right. Experience Japan through every kawaii. And I'm going to open this. I'm trying my best not to stop the videos and yeah, because right now I would stop it so I can cut open the box. The only thing is, if anything's missing, I want to have proof that I didn't take it out of the box before I opened it. Because, I don't know. Because there was an item missing in one of my other candy boxes. What was it? It was my Japan Crate? No, not my Japan Crate, my Tokyo Crate. And whatever, I don't know. But like I said, I'm being random. I just want to make sure I got everything recorded first. Oh, so this is for April. Oh, it's a pink-haired girl. These little images are so cute. It's a little deer. It has little information and stuff in the inside. Which I'll look at that later. Oh, looky! It's a little hamster chubby cheeky. Look how shiny he is. Do you see that? It's so squishy and chippy cheeky. Let's see. This is the Amuse collection. Which I thought the Amuse does blind boxes, don't they? These are cute. Oh, his feet. His little chubby little feet. And he has a friend. Am I gonna take it? Yes, I'm gonna take it out. Oh. Ow. Okay. Look at all this other stuff in here. Oh, it's so squished. Oh. Oh, it's a baggie. It's a cute little hamster bag. This is really cute. I can't read none of that. But it matches. Okay, our next thing. So this is the little slime cutesy thing. My friend in Japan has a lot of these. I'm not sure whether she makes them or whether she just collects them. She has little doll houses. She has the cat ones, and I've actually been wanting to make some myself. And it's all pink and glittery. Some of these are really cute, and I really want some cat ones. Oh, and this is the little cat game. I have not yet to play it. Supposedly, you just look at his little butt. You go around and you feed the cats and they just come to your house and you take pictures of them and you just keep collecting them like that. I haven't tried it yet. Oh goodness. These are the rubber band link things that everyone's been doing. I have not done this. I didn't. To me, they're just rubber bands. What? Yeah, the loon bands. Do these glow though? If they glow, that would be a. Okay, these are a remnant item. A re-ment. Oh, if they glow, that would be awesome. Oh well, it's my light's on, so I can't really see. Is this a gift card? Oh, they're postcards. You know what? I'm gonna send this to my friend. Oh yeah, and it's morning, so I'm hungry. How many are in here? There's quite a few in here. I'm gonna send one to my friend. Oh wait, I didn't see this. It's a bird? Oh. Oh, what are you? What? Booklet. Where's it looks like a magnet of some sort. Okay. So this is a oh, it flashes. Oh, it's a bird light thing. Let's see. You can't be sure what you'll get. No, oh sorry. No, wrong one. Yeah, it's a flashy thing. Place your palm on your hand or in a bowl of water and have. Oh, it's a water light thing. Well, you guys can read it. Oh, so we could have got like 4 other things. So I just happened to get the hamster and it matched and we got the clips. There is one more thing in the box, sorry. Yes, I have the postcards. We have the loon bands. And get the little hamster pouch. You know, it would have been so cute if I could have got a llama. I don't know why, but some of the llamas are like super cute. And then you have the little comic that if the light would go away. Okay, so the Doki's grand prize this month. I'll read this later. But yeah, I'm gonna put this in the thing of water. Oh, and it comes with a loom kit, so I guess you just didn't get the rubber bands by itself. This is cool. So now I don't have to buy one. Like, I've been wondering about it. I really didn't care that much for them. But I did see some really, really cool designs, and I want to make one now. So this is what is in the DokiDoki crate. I got everything. And I can't wait to see what this little glowing bird thing looks like. Because I don't know its name. I don't know if it has like a real character name. But yeah, this is a super cute box that we got this time. Oh, I like my little rock pouch, my little card pouch. I don't know what I'm going to use you for, but I'm going to use you for something. And you, my little chubby friend, say hello to the people at home. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment, subscribe, and like if you want to. Have a good day and stay random. Do, 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 do.